Hi, welcome to Maptive. In this tutorial, we're going to specifically be talking about the Lasso Tool's ability to export geographic data. Your Lasso tool is on the right-hand side. Now, if you needed information from the map, this might be the place to do it. So this gives you the ability to list a list of zip codes, a list of counties, a list of states. Basically, any boundary we have within the program, you can export that information. So we can do states, we can do counties, we can do zip codes, but there are other countries as well. Obviously, if I did Canada right now, it's not going to give me anything. I have no polygon in Canada. But you have the capability of any of these boundaries. If you need a list of them, this is how you get them. So if I wanted the list of zip codes from that location, I would choose US zip codes. If I wanted the counties, I would choose counties. You can include only the boundaries that we've completely incorporated. That means if we cut off any of the boundaries, any of those areas with our polygon, we're not going to get those. Or you can include full and partial boundaries, and those are the ones that we might have cut off. So I'm going to leave it at that. You can export as file as Excel, TSV, or CSV, or you can copy the data to your clipboard. To export, we click Export Now. We get a file showing through the browser. So now the export has opened and we see I've got a list of the state and the county names that fell within my Lasso tool. If this were zip code, you'd see a list of zip codes. Of course, if it were states, you'd see a list of states. If you're done with your lasso, you can remove it just by clicking the X. If you need to open up that menu again, just click it, and you can use any of the tools in there. That's how to use the lasso and exporting your geographic data, within your data or not. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. Thanks for watching. Bye.